Chitraji, several Bharat Ratna awardees have been honored decades after independence and amid heated debates. Is controversy alone a valid reason to deny the award now for V.D. Savarkar? Why such hue and cry over this fresh call by Mr. Bhagwat?
Well, it is kind of laughable. We have to understand as to who is demanding this prestigious award. And did you hear the Mohan Bhagwat's words for Bharat Ratna that in case if Veer Savarkar gets Bharat Ratna, then Bharat Ratna's prestige will be enhanced. What kind of shameless bigotry is this? So I believe that RSS is such an organization that has been constitutional in nurturing the first terrorists of independent India who would kill Mahatma Gandhi. They have never hoisted the tricolor on their headquarters for almost 52 years. Anti-national organization, and they have celebrated Mahatma Gandhi's death or assassination. So do you really take words of such an organization, the organization that in and out every day contributes to increasing casteism as well as promotes communalism in this country? Should we take advice from them as to whom should be given Bharat Ratna? So I believe giving Bharat Ratna to Veer Savarkar, who was hand in glove for killing Mahatma Gandhi and who had done so many bad deeds. His ideology, his thoughts are pathetic and do not align with this modern world. So I believe giving him such a prestigious award will be a blot on this respective country.
Okay. Savarkar is described by his supporters as a freedom fighter. Mr. Nigam here himself said, and Mr. Ibrahim also pointed out to that, somebody who endured rigorous imprisonment under the British rule. Does the Congress dispute his role in the freedom movement, or is the objection about something else?
I believe the perception of freedom that is in the minds of people, that is different. For us, there were so many freedom fighters who had sacrificed their lives and yet did not get Bharat Ratna. So apparently, when you're vouching for a person who has written mercy petitions, who has undergone rigorous imprisonment, we are not denying that respective fact. And yet, what were his thoughts on caste? What were his thoughts on rape for women? He was openly justifying all these things. You are vouching for Bharat Ratna for such a person. I believe that will be a blot on this respective country, and no more further debates should happen related to his particular contribution.
All right.